In this video, we'll show you how to check if a program or process is running with administrative privileges on Windows. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or just curious, it's important to know which applications have elevated permissions. For this, go to Search and type Task Manager and then select it from the list. Then click on Menu at the top. Next, click the Details tab to see all running processes. Now right-click on any column header and select Select Columns. In the pop-up, check the box for Elevated and click OK. The elevated column will now show Yes for processes running with admin privileges and No for those without. You can click on Elevated Column Header to sort by privileges as shown here. You can see Secure System Process, SSMS Process, Services Process is running with admin privileges. In this way we check which program and process is running with admin rights. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.